What's going on, operators? Delo Brands back for another video. Thanks so much for stopping by. And if you are new here, my name is David. I experiment every single day with AI, and on this channel, I share those experiments inside of our community. In the description, we have resources for those experiments, and you guys can share your experiments as well. But that's not what this video is about. Claude wants to pay you $90,000 in the next year. All right. And that may sound crazy, but let's take a look at what I'm talking about. So this is Claude Corpse. Claude Corpse is a program that they released just yesterday. So I'm recording this on June 12th. And basically what Claude Corpse is a program where Claude is going to bring 1,000 total fellows, which is 1,000 total people, and they are going to match them with nonprofits and pay them to spend a year full-time in person helping the organizations advance their missions. Now, all of this is going to be done with AI. So how can I, as Claude, and also these other companies, CodePath and Social Finance, how can we give the knowledge and the tools to these young fellows and allow them to help these nonprofits in their operations, whether it be onboarding, whether it be sponsorships, whether it be program facilitation, whatever it is. They are going to pay for you to go spend 1 full year, meaning you have to take information. You have to take their AI fluency course or their Claude one-on-one course, and you will be able to go into this company with no experience and go and help them. And really quickly, before I even get to anything else, I want to talk about the experience. So full-time salary of $85,000 and benefits. All right. So under this program, you will be an employee of CodePath, but you will have a CodePath mentor. You will have office hours from Anthropic with technical questions and an expensive Claude token budget. All right. So a lot of support is going to this. And the whole point of this program is not only to fund young, innovative, and future thinkers, but also give them strong experience in the workforce. And I think that this program is going to be very, very good for a lot of people. And let's talk about the requirements. So you can apply right now. Applications are open. They will close on July 17th. All right. And that's for the first cohort of 100 people. On the other two cohorts, which will be in January 2027 and August 2027, I believe they will be around 400 or 450 people each, but the first one would just be 100. So anyone over 18 with under 2 years of full-time work experience is welcome to apply. So I'm going to be honest. This literally blocks out most people. Like, from all of my friends have had full-time jobs since they were, under 18. And I seem like the only person that has never had a job. I've never had a W-2 full-time or part-time job. And this is the type of opportunity that is literally screaming at me, because they don't want people that have a lot of experience. They want to basically grandfather these fellows in, and I hope I get in as well, to be able to learn this new technology and help real companies that are creating real change to take advantage of this technology as well. So the only requirements are that you're authorized to work in the US and are comfortable working with Claude, and you're willing to relocate if necessary. So in my situation, I'm not tied down to any specific place, so I can relocate wherever the nonprofit that they match me up with is. And if you're going to apply for this, you should keep that in mind as well. So, what's next? Our ambition is for this program to scale far beyond 1,000 fellows. Now, I don't know if it's going to be that $85,000 a year, but if they're trying to pay 1,000 and more than 1,000, it may go, to like a 60,000, 70,000 a year, something like that. Um, Rigorously measuring the extent to which host organizations have advanced their missions, as well as how fellows develop their skills and career prospects to understand how Claude Corp should evolve. So they don't have like a clear roadmap. They are trying to figure out how this is actually going to go and leave room for improvement on this program. So we plan to open source some of the core technology and infrastructure that enables this program to work so that others can build out similar initiatives towards what could be a large scale nationwide effort. So I think that, this is a great opportunity. These are some of the nonprofits that you can expect to work with if you are selected for this. And mind you, this is 365 days of work. Okay. Do you want to get paid 85,000 for 365 days of work? I do too. So go ahead and apply. I'll put the link to apply down in the description. And I just wanted to let you guys know about this because it did come out yesterday. A lot of people are going to be applying. A lot of people still don't know about AI, and a lot of people don't fit in this, where's it at? 18 under with under 2 years of professional experience. Like that, a lot of people are going to be, um, outside of that. So if you are under 18 or over 18 with under 2 years of full-time work experience, go ahead and apply. You do have to complete Claude 101 and their AI fluency course. I'm pretty sure both of those are free, but yeah, go ahead and apply. Let me know what you guys think, and also join the AIGK AI Lab. For those that do get in this program, we would love to, hear about your experience. So, this is Medilo Brands. Best of luck with your applications, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.